And welcome to this video on how to install Anaconda on Ubuntu. Anaconda is a popular Python distribution that includes a lot of scientific packages pre-installed, making it a great choice for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to download the Anaconda installer. Head over to the repo.anaconda.com. So click on the Anaconda installers. So zoom in and you can search for Conda 2024.02-1 Linux 64-bit.sh file. So you can get the latest version from this link from the Anaconda archive. So use this command curl f1 o and URL. So 64-bit is the recommended for most users. So copy this curl command and download through the terminal. So once it is done, now next step is you need to update the system packages. For that, type sudo apt-get. So you need to install the prerequisites. So copy this sudo apt-get install command. If you see any libraries are not available, that means it is referred by the another package, or it is deprecated, or it is missing. So you can ignore this error. So now the next step is make the installer executable. You use this command chmod +x filename.sh. So this will grant the installer permissions to run. The next step is run the Anaconda installer /Anaconda filename.sh. Type yes. So we have successfully installed the Anaconda. So refresh the terminal, close the terminal and open the terminal again. You can see Conda, type Conda -- version. So we have successfully installed the Anaconda. So now I'll be installing some package numpy called numpy. So type Conda install numpy to check whether Conda is installed properly or not. To open the Anaconda dashboard, for that type Anaconda f1 Navigator. So here you can see it is causing some issue, failed to open. So loader is not working properly. So I'll show you how to fix this one also. So there are two ways for fixing this that loader issue. For that, type Conda install fnc Conda fn forge libstd cxx -ng. Or you can use the below commands to resolve that issue, loader issue. I'll provide these two in the description. So once it is done, type Anaconda in Navigator. Now you can see it is successfully able to open without causing any issues. So that's it. Thank you.